In front of me is Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. To set up app lock on this Huawei, you don't need any special app or any trick, because you can lock apps using devices settings. So let's begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, tap on Security section and hit App Lock over here. Now, after tapping on Enable, you need to decide if you wish to set up your current screen lock as your app lock as well, or create custom PIN only for your apps. If you decided to use screen lock, just click on it and then enter it. If you decided to pick custom PIN, you need to create it here and repeat it to confirm it. Whichever app lock method you chose, you need to answer security question. If you don't like this one, click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, tap on the question and tap on custom question to create your own. Save it by hitting OK and remember to answer it correctly. Then tap on Finish. And finally, to lock any app, use gray switcher right next to it. So when I do that and go back to access any of those apps, I can see that PIN is required. Additionally, if you want to disable app lock from any app, I can show you how to do it too. Just go back to the same settings, hit app lock, enter your app lock locking method you chose before, and tap on blue switches next to your apps to disable app lock from them. To disable app lock completely on your tablet, click on blue switcher next to app lock feature and hit disable in the pop-up. Then enter your screen lock or custom PIN one last time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!